Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on fast charging on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Some devices might not support it or have it turned on by default. Open the main settings app first and then tap into the search box at the top and type in fast charging. Have a look at the search results and one of these should be the page we're looking for. It will likely be in the battery section. Tap on it from the list and then you may need to tap on the option again to get to the correct page. You can now use the toggle switch next to the fast charging option to enable it. Some devices may also have a super fast charging option or a fast wireless charging option. Remember, you'll need to use a charger that is compatible with fast charging, and the official one should allow this. If you couldn't find it using that method, you might also want to open the main settings app again and check in the battery settings section to see if there's a charging settings option, where this option should also be if your device supports it. That's how to turn on fast charging on your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.